Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be making a classic mojito that brings lime juice and mint together in a perfect harmony. So for this, we are going to need fresh lime juice, simple syrup, your favorite white rum. You're going to need club soda. You're going to need a highball or a Collins glass, your jigger for accurate measurements. You are also going to need between 10 to 12 mint leaves that are going to go into the cocktail, as well as some extra mint that'll be for the garnish, as well as a lime wedge for the garnish as well. Don't forget, all of the ingredients are going to be listed below, so that way you can build the cocktail along with me. All right, guys, so we're going to take about 10 to 12, depending on the size of your mint leaves. We're going to take those. If you watched a previous video of mine, I'm not a huge fan of muddling my mint because it tends to bring out a bitterness. So instead, we are going to give it a nice smack, and you'll be able to smell that instantly. And that's going to go directly into our glass. And then we're going to go in with 1 full ounce of lime juice, fresh lime juice. And then we have half an ounce of our simple syrup. We've got 2 full ounces of our favorite brand of white rum. And then we're actually going to pause here and we are going to actually put the ice directly into our glass here. All right, so once we get to here, we are actually going to be topping this with our club soda. I always like to leave a little bit of room, and then we're going to take our stirring spoon, and we're just going to kind of stir that around and combine all of that together. Whew, that mint is strong. You know it's strong when you're sick and you can still smell it. All right. And then for the finishing toppings here, we've got a lime wedge, perfectly cut, I might add. And then same thing with our mint, we want it to be nice and aromatic. We're just going to give that a nice little tap on our wrist to release the oils. And then that's going to go directly into our cocktail. There you have it, our mojito. Until the next pour, guys. Oh, and don't forget, if you enjoy seeing my gorgeous face and the delicious cocktails that I'm making here, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Now I'll see you at the next pour. Cheers.